Now that you purchased your Mitutoyo surface roughness tester model SJ-210, this will demonstrate how to unpack it, what comes in the box. Inside the box, the items that will come with it are the hardware user manual. You will have a one-page reference sheet, and you will have various information on what to do and what not to do. You will have a AC adapter and power cord accessory. You will have a carrying strap to carry the unit when you go on a shop floor. You will have a calibration stand, which you will put the unit on for calibration purposes. You will have a 3-meter extension cable that connects the drive unit to the display unit. You will have one protection sheet for the display so that it doesn't get scratched up. You will have a reference specimen that will be used for calibration. You will also get a standard detector. Depending on the model that you purchased, it will either be a standard measuring force of 4 millinewtons or 0.75 millinewtons low measuring force. You will get a carrying case. Inside the carrying case will be the display unit. In this carrying case, you will be able to store your calibration stand, specimen, and main unit when not in use.